Hi, my name is Katie Hilbert and I'm the Center Director at the Sylvan Learning Center of La Mesa. I'm here today with a Sylvan short to help you feel more comfortable rewriting numbers as fractions, decimals, and percents. So let's take a look at a couple examples. For our first example, we'll start off with a decimal and rewrite it as a fraction and percent. And the key to doing this is to recognize the place value of our number. So in this case, we have a 0 in the ones place, a 7 in the tenths place, and a 1 in the hundredths place. So we read that number as 71 hundredths, which is the same way we read that number as a fraction. 71 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. Now, in order to write this number as a percent, we can use either the fraction or the decimal. So let's start with the fraction. We can use that number because a percent is simply a proportion out of 100. So anytime you have a fraction over 100, your numerator becomes your percent. In this case, 71. Now we can also figure that out using our decimal. And we do this by multiplying the decimal by 100, or more simply, moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Either way, we end up with the same value of 71%. Now, how are things different if we start off with a fraction that doesn't have a denominator of 100? We want to approach it the same way by rewriting it with a denominator of 100, which we can do by creating an equivalent ratio. So I'll set 2/5 equal to a number over 100. Now, in order to solve for that unknown, we'll cross multiply. 2 times 100 gives us 200, and 5 times n gives us 5n. In order to solve for n, we just divide both sides by 5. Which gives us a value of 40. So I can rewrite 2/5 as 40 hundredths. And just like we learned before, 40 hundredths can be rewritten as a decimal with a 40 ending in the hundredths place. And either one of these can be used to find our percent by recognizing that 40 over 100 is the same as 40%. And there you go, a few strategies to feel more comfortable rewriting numbers as fractions, decimals, and percents. Good luck!